Hello students, welcome back to your IT class. In previous video we talk about basic HTML and list in HTML, that unordered and ordered list. Today's topic is images. So in this video we talk about images, how you can insert images, how you can edit that image, provide location, height, width of images, or you can say the modification of web page on images. Okay, so with the help of images. So we'll start now. That images are very important to beautify as well as to depict many complex concepts in simple way on your web page. So this tutorial or this video will take you through simple steps to use images in your web pages. First is how you can insert image. You can insert any image in your web page by using image tag. Which tag? Image tag we will use to insert our image. Following is the syntax, that is image source this is image source. Why we are using source here? That it provides the location, or you can say full address of our image to insert in our web page. Okay, that is URL, address, complete address, and then attribute list. Attribute list is whatever we want to insert in our web page while we are inserting image. Okay, so that the image tag is an empty tag. What is empty tag? That is which did no need to close that tag. So while we are opening image tag, there is no need to closing image tag, so that's why it is empty tag. For example, if we want to you can see it can contain only list of attributes and no closing tag. Okay, so example we can take. We can take our example. We can I will show you practically also that how you can insert. We can take here from complete program, copy paste, copy, we will paste in our notepad. I will save it and open. See, while I am refreshing, then it is showing the test image. Now I will explain why it is showing test image. Okay, you can see here HTML tag, head tag, title tag. I think you know very well about these tags. Title tag close and head tag close. Now body started. Paragraph tag we are using for starting our paragraph. That is simple image insert. Now image source, image tag we are using. Then source, that is given complete URL address. That is the address of our image, which is not locating in this system. That's why it's showing the little bit structure, small image. Okay, and alt is test image. That's why this image is not given in this system or not locating anywhere. That's why it's showing the test image. Alt attribute we are using while our image is not showing, then test image will show. Okay, understood? So get to know that how you can insert image in HTML. So this will produce the following result, and you can use your PNG, JPG or GIF image file based on your comfort, but make sure you specify the correct image file name in your source attribute. Okay, image name is always case sensitive. Case sensitive means whatever given in small letters you have to type in small, and whatever given in capital letters that will be in capital. And the alt attribute is a mandatory attribute which specify an alternate text for an image if the image can't be displayed. Got it? Now again we are going on our program, that this image is not showing. That's why we are using alt attribute, and test image will show. You can see result here. Okay, next is set location. How you can set the location of your image. Usually we keep all the images in separate directories, so let's keep html file test.htm in our home directory and create Usually we keep all the images in a separate directory, so let's keep html file test.html in our home directory and create a subdirectory images inside the home directory where we will keep our image.png. okay, so you can see here any program like title using image in website title cross, body, paragraph, image tag, source dot slash html images test.png. this is the location of your image and all test images. Got it? Next is set images and images height and width. How you can give the height or width to your image. Okay, so we are doing practically this. Suppose only body we can take from here, Ctrl plus C in our notepad. Save and then open in your my first page. See, that is the height and width of your image. Image is not showing, but exactly the size of your image is this. Okay, next is set image border. How you can set your border to your image. By default, images will have a border around it. You can specify border thickness in terms of pixels using border attribute. Which attribute? Border attribute. A thickness of 0 means no border around the picture, and whenever you will give some border, then you have to give in pixels. So we are taking from here this. Save. Now we are opening. See, now it is only complete size of images showing. When I am refreshing it, then it will show border around the image. Okay, next is alignment. How you can set the alignment of your image. By default, image will align at the left side of page, but you can align attribute to set the center or right as well. So we are taking our image alignment. Save, opening our first page and then refresh it. See, right side it moved because we are taking our alignment in here. Right, we are taking our image alignment right side. Okay, so I hope you understand these 3 points: location, image height and width, border and alignment. Got it? If you are facing any kind of problem, you can concern with me and try to do practical of all these programs, and different kinds of programs you can take, and if whatever however you will do practical, that will create or that will solve your problems more. Okay, thank you.